Hillary of Creative Faith, and welcome back for another video. Today I am thrilled to be introducing a brand new Creative Faith planner. This one is called Hello Today, and it is a weekly goals layout. And I'm going to explain more about why I created this planner. So basically it came out of a need that I had. I had been using a classic Happy Planner in the monthly layout for my Creative Faith business planner. And I actually have a whole YouTube video showing how I had that set up, which I'll link in the description box below. But what I was finding is that it was just way too big. I like taking my planner with me from home to work, etc. And so I just wasn't using it. And I was needing my business planner at work. And so I made this, and I got to really customize it for what I needed. And so that's kind of why I made it. And so it's called the Weekly Goals Planner because each weekly layout looks like this. And it has a spot for your top 3 goals for the week, and then it just has dot grid for you to write to-do lists or things like that. But let's start from the top, and I'll do a flip through, and then at the end I'm going to show you I was going to wait and film me setting it up, but I've already started setting it up. So I'll show you guys a flip through of what it looks like and how I've been using it so far. So the beginning has this circle. This is really great. You can use this to write your name. You could use it to write a quote. You could use it to write the year. So I'll probably put like Creative Faith Planner or something like that in here. So that's great because you can kind of customize it and make it your own. And then we have Hello Today. The planner comes with instructions about how you can do this, and it walks through what's in the front, what's in the rest of the planner, and ideas. So that's a really great feature of this planner. So at the beginning, you have a yearly tracker, and then you have a spot for monthly tasks. And this doesn't have any months in it because I wanted you to be able to write in whenever you started. So what you'll do when you get it is just write, like I started mine in May, so I started at the end. So I'd probably start this part in June. And I just put June, July, August, September along the top here, as well as here. And so this is a great place to track a goal that you want to see your progress on throughout the whole year. So whether it's reading the Bible, or this would be a really great planner to use for working out. So you could color in each day you work out. So I haven't quite decided how I'm going to use this one yet. But that's a great great way to see an overview of everything from the whole year. And then this spot with monthly tasks is perfect for writing out things that you just need to do once a month. And so, or twice a month, you could cut the box in half. So like maybe for me, like if this is a personal planner, maybe like wash the car once a month or pay rent once a month or something like that. And again, I haven't totally figured this out yet for Creative Faith, but like I'll probably add tasks such as copying business receipts, kind of like the financial aspect of the business, updating inventory, scheduling out YouTube videos, like things that I would do once a month. I would just write in here and then I can mark them off. So I'm really, really excited about the monthly task section. And then next you have a future log. So again, it doesn't come with dates or months, but you guys could you can actually use, I have a brand new months printable that would be really perfect to use in here. Let's see if I can have it easy access to it actually. So I will link this printable in the description box below. It is months rectangles. And you'll see when I flip through my Creative Faith one that I've already started to use it there. And I have a YouTube video showing how to turn printables into stickers using the Cricut, and I'll link that video in the description box below. But these would be perfect to print and use, and if you don't have a Cricut, you can print them on white sticker paper or clear sticker paper, or just use a pen to write like January, February, March, April, May, June. And so this is great for like future tasks or events. I think probably what I'll use this for is put like kit ideas on sticky notes and kind of arrange them where I plan to launch them. So that's kind of my game plan for the future log. You could also cover up the future log and use it for something else. You could use it for favorite monthly memories. You could use it for goal setting and write out categories of different goals like business, home, finances, health. So lots of different ways you can use the future log. So then we jump into the monthly overview. I love how this looks. So it has a blank space at the top for you to write out your month. Again, the month printable will be super perfect for that. And then I also have date printables, so you could put little dates in there or just use a pen to date it. I love undated planners because I don't feel guilty if I miss a week or if I miss a month. I'm not like wasting the pages, and I don't need to redate it. And then there's a spot in the corner or on the side for notes, any additional notes. And again, I'll show you how I'm using that in just a moment. And so after the monthly layout, then you have this kind of little monthly habit trackers and reflection page. And so this planner, since I made it basically for me, for my business, I really wanted it to be goal and project oriented. So then I can list my 3 main goals for the month here, and so that's a good reminder. And then this would be like things I want to focus on for the month, so maybe posting on Instagram, or I don't know, what else do I do, replying to comments, posting on Pinterest, engaging in my Facebook group. So those are all things that you could put in, like, for me, again, this is more business oriented, but you could focus on like fitness habits or wellness habits too here. And so you can just write in the days of the month and then color in when you do them. And then there are a couple of reflection questions. So what went well this month? What are your monthly highlights? And then what do you need to improve on for next month? And then just a spot for additional notes. So this is a really great kind of monthly overview to help you work on your goals and reach your goals. And so there are 12 sets of those here. And then you get to, after all that, you get to the weekly layout. And again, I just wanted something super simple, so it just has week of. So you'd write the week there, and then you have your spot for your top 3 goals, your top 3 things you want to accomplish for the week. And then at the bottom, I plan to use this for to-do lists, and I'll show you again in just a moment how I have kind of set up and been using this. And then at the end, there are blank dot grid, dot grid pages at the back. And so this is a great spot for doing additional notes or brainstorming. So I plan to write out different creative faith projects I want to work on, ideas for new kits or new printables, things like that. So I really love all of the extra note paper in the back for that. And as of right now, I just have this in a B6 size, but I do plan to have additional sizes available soon because I think this will be really great in even larger sizes. But a B6 is 4.9 by 6.9. And I actually really, really love this size. This is the size of my creative faith, a Creative Faith planner, but a planner that I use for like my daily to-do lists and activities and events and whatnot. And it's really great for taking on the go. And so I will link this on Amazon. It's available on Amazon. Free Amazon Prime shipping, which is really awesome. And it has Hello Today on the front, and the back it has the logo, and it's really pretty pink alcohol ink background cover. So that is the Hello Today Weekly Goals Planner, and I hope you guys are excited about it as I am. And so I have this traveler's notebook set up. The notebook cover is from Simply Gilded, and I have some washi tape tucked in the pocket here, as well as some sticky notes, because you'll see in a moment why there's sticky notes here. And so I have this kind of set up for summer, so I'm going to be using the B6 size summer journal, and I will link this on Amazon, so it has lots of different ideas of kind of summer planner spreads. And I have a video about that I'll link down below too. And then this is just a plain lined notebook that a friend gifted me. And so that's just for additional notes or grocery lists or things like that. And then, so what I did is I took my Creative Faith planner into Office Depot, and I had them cut off the spine and add the spiral. And I have a YouTube video about this. Another thing you could do is have Office Depot cut off the spine, or try it yourself at your own risk, and use a Happy Planner punch and punch it and put it on discs. So that's another really great way to customize it and make it your own. And then at Office Depot, I had them put this clear protective coating on, a little plastic sheet on the front, and then on the back what I had them do is put a black one. They could have put a clear one. That's how I have my other Creative Faith planner that I use for my daily events. It has clear on the front and back, but this is just a little bit stiffer and firmer. So that is what I did to kind of alter it and make it my own. So again, I would encourage you to customize this to fit your needs and how you like to use a planner. So again, I just have started using this, so I haven't even filled out these front parts. I had planned on making a video showing my setup, but then I just really needed to start using it. So I haven't filled out the beginning pages yet, and then I used, these are called glitter edgers, and they're from the Planner Society. And I love using these to separate the monthly section from the weekly section from the extra notes pages. So that's a really fun way. You could also use Avery removable tabs. That's another thing that I love to use in my planning, and I'll link a few of those on Amazon in the description box below. So again, you can see I used my new monthly rectangle printable to label May, and then here I didn't even I have some of them on the left and some on the right, but that's okay. So the monthly layout I use for my YouTube videos, and so I put them on sticky notes until they're actually posted, and then I will glue them down, and then I have filmed, edited, and scheduled, and so then I just mark them off as I go. So that is how I'm using the monthly layout. And then again, I still need to, I got this at the end of May, and so I'm still trying to kind of figure out how I'm going to use all these sections. And then here's June. So I post Tuesdays and Saturdays on the Creative Faith YouTube channel. And so you can see some of these I've already filmed and edited, and some of them I still have more to do. And then I have July set up as well with some ideas for future videos. So that's how I've been using the monthly section. So then we have, oops, I didn't realize that this was where the weekly started. That's okay. So this is my first week using it. And so you can see I put the week of with the date and then my top 3 goals. One of them for this weekend is to create this planner in the different sizes. And I launched some vinyl stickers this week in my shop, and I have a couple other of my Bible study notebooks that are ready to be posted on Amazon, but I just haven't done it yet. So those are my 3 goals for the week. And then it was kind of cool. I wanted to decorate it because I just love decorating my planners. And so I just added a few stickers. And then I ended up I realized I can kind of make different sections in here. So this is a little spot of videos to film. So that's what I'm filming now. And I'm going to film a plan with me and my dad for Father's Day, which I'm excited about. And then this is a to-do list for the week, and so I can obviously add more. And so it's that time using the weekly section. I'm very excited about it. I love kind of having dot grid and it just being very customizable to your needs. So like I do think this would make a really great wellness planner too. Because you could do like meal planning on one side and your workouts on the other. So there's lots of different ways you could use this layout. And so again, that's just all the weekly layouts are like that. And then in the back, I still need to kind of copy over my notes from my bigger business planner that I was using and copy them into here. So I am just really excited about this. I love the size and I love how easy it is to, I can use it some weeks, and if I want to skip some weeks and not use it, that's fine too. I was finding with the classic Happy Planner that I wouldn't use it because it was at home and then I had redated it. So it just got a little bit more complicated. And I just love the small size of this, and it's just perfect for my needs. So I hope that it is perfect for your needs too. I hope you will get a Hello Today weekly goals planner and that we can work on our goals together. And yeah, I just can't wait to see these in your hands. Again, you can get this on Amazon. I will link it in the description box below. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know if you'd want to see more of how do I set it up each month and things like that. If you'd want to see more videos like that, let me know in the comments below too. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Creative Faith. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any Creative Faith videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.